Now I would like to talk about some information regarding today's workshop. Dear audience, BRBD is arranging this day-long free hands-on workshop on statistical data analysis using SPSS after successful organization of the previous workshop titled Research Methodology for Social Sciences. Basically, this workshop is designed for highly motivated students, academicians, researchers, masters, and PhD students interested in the study of social science. We found so many responses from you, home and abroad. We are grateful to you all. Dear audience, the workshop objectives are to familiarize the learners with SPSS and its application in research, to demonstrate step-by-step data analysis process using SPSS with example, to expertise in statistical techniques and interpretation of statistical output. Our program contains to be covered: data input in SPSS, data cleaning, descriptive statistics, data normality test, reliability test, correlation analysis, t-test, ANOVA test, regression analysis, exploratory factor analysis. Dear audience, now I am introducing you our resource person, Mr. MD Tariqul Islam. Mr. Tariqul Islam is a postgraduate research student. Currently, he is pursuing his master's by research in tourism at University Putra, Malaysia. He worked as an instructor in the Department of Tourism and Hospitality at Mangrove Institute of Science and Technology, Bangladesh. He completed his bachelor degree with distinction in airlines, tourism, and hospitality from Labdi Professional University, India. Mr. Tariqul Islam has published his research articles in many international journals and presented the findings of his research in various national and international conferences. His area of research includes consumer behavior and marketing management. Now I am welcoming our resource person, Mr. MD Tariqul Islam, to conduct the workshop on statistical data analysis using SPSS.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Very good morning to all. Welcome to all in the workshop of statistical data analysis using SPSS software. And basically, this workshop has been designed by keeping the focus on those students who are very beginner and who are having limited or no knowledge on SPSS. And the focus students are the students from management and social sciences, but those who are from other field, academic area, they are also most welcome. I hope you will get some idea. And as I have already told you that this workshop has been organized for the beginners, and I am also a beginner. So there are some prominent researchers like Dr. Nurul, Sabir Hossain. So I will request you, if I make any error, please make me the correct. And this is the first time I am conducting any workshop. So another thing is, I would like to show my gratitude and say thanks to MD Sabir Hossain and the entire team of BRBD for taking that initiative. And the way you are moving forward, it is just mind-blowing. The way you are changing the research environment of Bangladesh, obviously, it is a praiseworthy work. So I don't want to take much time. Just sharing the screen. First of all, I'm just introducing myself. My name is Mohammad Tariqul Islam. I'm pursuing my MSc in tourism at University Putra, Malaysia, and I completed my bachelor degree in tourism and hospitality from Lovely Professional University, India. So here is the table of content for our today's workshop. First of all, I'll be talking about, I'll be giving some idea about the SPSS, then the data importing, how to import data cleaning, descriptive statistics, reliability test, correlation analysis, regression analysis, exploratory factor analysis, data normality test, and finally, I will be concluded with the t-test. So here is some basic information about SPSS. SPSS, it stands for the statistical package for the social sciences, which is used by the researcher for complex statistical data analysis. Like, though this is the basic analysis tool, as I mean, Dr. Nurul sir has already give a brief idea about SPSS software. And so it was originally launched in 1968 by the SPSS Incorporated and was later acquired by IBM in 2009. And the latest version of SPSS is 28. From my best knowledge, it was launched in the last year, May 2021. But today we'll be conducting by using the software 26. So before importing the data, I'm just sharing you a Word file.